I'm Michael George from the George Farm in Partnership, a farm with my brother and my wife and my brother's wife and also my two sons. We're six in the partnership, and we've grown the herd over the last 10 years from 200 to nearly 1,800 cows. We've never moved away too much from what we had maybe 10 years ago, breeding a type of cow that's got a lot of capacity and a cow that'll last for a long time. We've improved a lot of our efficiencies in our cows through breeding, through genomics. Our cows are more fertile and they're also more feed efficient. They're not quite as big as they used to be, but they're also very feed efficient. We milk our cows 3 times a day, and our optimum yield is around 40 litres, which is around 12,500 litres a cow. Most of the year we either achieve it or we get close to it. And we put that down to probably is the right balance of the ration with a cow management with a very good fertile herd. Cow comfort, it's something we've worked on a lot. We've got a lot of ventilation in the sheds and also good lighting. We milk very accurate times on 3 times a day, every 8 hours. And the standing time of our cows in the collecting yard is down to as minimal a time as ever possible. The biggest costs in our business is feeding our cows. Obviously, it costs us 11 pence a litre to feed our cows, which is well over a third of our total cost of production. So making sure that every unit that we make is well utilised is the most important. Is very important. We have a very high intake of dry matter, around 26.5 to 27. It's important that we do achieve this 38 to 41 litres per cow. We try and have a good presentation. We're very impressed with the KEENAN vertical. Leaves us a very well mixed ration and very well presented. We try and have it as dense as ever we can, and we do add quite a bit of water to the diet, so we don't have as much sorting in the ration. Obviously, we are always looking to improve, and last year we took a visit to Italy, and because we have 3 units, 2 units of dairy cows and 1 unit of young stock, every day our mixer wagon feeds 3,000 animals. So we decided on a visit to Italy and the Storti and Gwyn Farms, we've decided to invest a major investment in a self-propelled, a KEENAN self-propelled mixer wagon. 3 things really. One, we're very fortunate to have an exceptional gentleman working for us, operating our feeding of our cows. It would make him happier. Secondly, I believe it'll help our faces on our silage pits. And thirdly, I think we'll have a better feed and maybe more control on every unit and feed that goes into our cows.